Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use VPN on any Android device. So let's get started. So if you want to use a VPN on your Android device, what you can do is just simply open up your Play Store application. After opening up your Play Store application, now in order to use a VPN you can just search for it. So just in the search bar search for VPN. And after searching for VPN you can find a bunch of VPNs that you can install. So you can install any VPN that you like. For example, I'll use this one. So what I'll do is just tap on it and then tap on install. After tapping on install, I'll successfully install that VPN in my device. And now in order to use this VPN, what you can do is just come back to your home screen. After coming back to your home screen, here you can see I have successfully installed my VPN. Now just tap on it. After tapping on it, now you just have to tap on next and then accept the private policies. So just tap on accept and then tap on install VPN profile. Tap on OK and you have successfully set your VPN. Now in order to use it, what you can do is just tap on this slider bar, and after tapping on it you will connect your VPN. And after connecting your VPN, in the top right corner of your screen you should find a key icon. So if you can find that key icon, that means you have successfully connected your VPN. So that's it guys, this is how to use a VPN on any Android device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.